Power BI session. We are going to discuss about that. And firstly, I'm going to discuss regarding what is Power BI, like basic topics. I'm going to teach you like what is Power BI. So Power BI is a Microsoft business intelligence tool. By using this Power BI, you will be able to solve real-time examples in your projects and everything regarding business problems. And when it comes to Power BI, there are so many tools in market, right? Like Tableau, QuickSense, everything. But when it comes to Power BI, so why Power BI? Because Power BI is a very flexibility to integrate with the Microsoft tools, other tools like Azure, as well as like some kind of tools like there are a lot of tools Microsoft and PowerPoint. These are the tools, and when it comes to the pricing, comparing with the other platforms, the Power BI is offering a free of cost, right? And it's affordable cost. So this is a major thing. And there was a website is gotten research where people they're like doing a lot of research regarding tools. So in that research, they figured out Power BI is the top one. So when it comes to these kind of tools like Power BI, ClickSense, as well as Tableau, so Power BI is the mostly used tool in businesses like domains like finance, as well as healthcare, as well as sales, this kind of e-commerce, these kind of things, these kind of domains, people are using majorly Power BI. And the next one is when it comes to market, if you learn Power BI, you will be able to get a lot of opportunities. Just go and type in ChatGPT or Google, what kind of roles should I apply for the Power BI roles? Like what kind of job opportunities I will apply after learning the Power BI. You can Google it, or you can uh, browse in Google or ChatGPT. You will be able to figure it out a lot of you will get lot of job opportunities through Naukri or LinkedIn, these kind of things. And when it comes to salary range, yeah, 6 lakhs to uh, 60 lakhs per annum. And when it comes to USA, it's $100 to $400 per annum. And as well as the salary depends upon the four factors, which is experience, as well as skill level, as well as location, and which organization you're working. So this all depends upon these four skills. And when it comes to this is the basics of Power BI. And now we will get into that Power BI. Okay, and we can launch Power BI after installing. Let me launch, because I already installed my Power BI desktop from my Microsoft store. And so I'm launching my Power BI right now. You can see over here. Sometimes it's going to take some time. We have to wait for that, and let's wait. And this is the Power BI layout, the basic view of the Power BI. And so we will explore different options. So for example, this is the canvas where we can build our dashboards. And this is the ribbon, and this is the filter and visualization data. Like these are the three options. These are the visualizations, and this is the page level, and these are the report view, as well as table view and model view. So this is a new option which has been invented by Power BI recently. They have launched this new option. Let me first of all, we need to see how to get the data from Excel. Okay, for which we need to select this option. So get data and go to the Excel workbook, and we will see these kind of things. And after going to this, you will find I have. So this is my data set, guys. This is my Excel worksheet data set, and I'm loading this. So it's going to be connect. Let's wait for a while. Okay, so now I'm going to import this data into my Power BI. So this is actually I had a tables. This is the like this is my delivery company data set, guys. Food delivery company data set. So this is table view, as well as, I mean, sorry, this is a table customer. I've been selecting, I selected three tables, so guys, over here. You can select even one and after one, but I'm selecting at one time multiple tables. And this is the table order. You will be able to see which table it is. It's a table customers and table delivery and table orders, and you can load over here. Okay, let them load. So it is loading, guys. So it's going to take some time because okay, that has been done. Okay, now, okay, you have loaded the data from Excel. Okay, now where you can see the data, you have to go to this table view, and where you can find tables like, okay, these are the tables: table customers and table delivery partner, as well as table orders. Okay, this is the our table, so which we have uh, get it from the Excel files. Okay, then you can see this is our order date, right? But if you would like to see only a month and year, you can make this transformation like, uh, how can you do that? You can give it like MMN and DDD. So you will be able to see only October, the month and the date, day of the date. Okay. So this is the one kind of transformation, data transformation. Okay. For example, this is a price column, right? So where you can see some, you can see summarization, but here you can see some summations in front of the bill amount and customer ID and the price and quantity. This is means some means is a is a numbers. Okay, you will get summation in front of the numbers. Okay, and when it goes to the food items, you can observe here, you don't summarize columns, right? Because these are not a number. Okay, okay, that's the one thing you have to keep in mind. And then after that, if you see like if you see like these are the things you can keep in mind. And these are the tables we got it from Excel files, you can able to see over here. Okay, and we will go to the report view. We can build some sample visualizations over here. Okay, we will build some sample visualizations. For example, you can see our main table is a table orders. Okay, so for example, I want to build we can build some sample dashboard. Let's see.